You can find this version of the G melodic minor scale on my Google site, Jefferson and Tabor Orchestra, under the Auditions tab. Okay, I'm here with Abby.
I'm over here. Hi, there I am.
And we're learning a G melodic minor scale, so I thought I'd share it with all of you guys. So she's gonna watch my fingers. We're gonna do G melodic minor. So on the way up, we're only doing a low 1. Going right back to first position for the F sharp, and then we're gonna go back down. We're gonna go to half position. Okay. My turn, your turn, Abby. Are you ready?
Mm-hmm.
Half position. Okay, Abby's turn. So that's octave number 1. This is here so you can stop the video. Okay, so we're gonna do the second octave. So we need a B flat. So we could play it with second finger or we could play it with first finger, but we've decided to play it with first finger. So it's gonna go like this. Open 1, shift up to second position, 1, 4, shift up to fourth position, 1, 4, and then shift up to the F sharp, 1, 2. Let me do that again. Open 1, 1, 4, 1, 4 in fourth position, and 1, 2 if F sharp G. There we go. Okay. Now, Abby, your turn. Can you do that 5 more times? And it's your turn. Stop the video and try it 5 times. This is a melodic minor scale. So we're going to play that second finger again. Then we're going to go back to F natural. E flat, we're going to shift back a half step. D. Then we're going to go to C natural. Shift back a half step. B flat, A, and open. So I'm going to do that again. G, F natural, E flat with second finger, D, C, B flat, 1, A, and then G. Okay, Abby, do you think you can do it? Abby's doing this. Abby's going here. And then she forgot where to go next. So we're going to go G, F natural. So we don't want to go here. We're going to put our fourth finger on F natural. And then our second finger on E flat. And our first finger on D. Let's just do that much. If you need to stop the video now, stop the video now and do it 5 more times. This is your chance to do it 5 more times. Stop the video. Now we're going to do the rest of the scale. So we're back to D, so we're going to go 4 in second position, first position 2, first position 1, and then open. Start with, everybody do this with me and Abby. Put your first finger on D, okay, and then you're going to shift back to second position, fourth finger, play that note. Shift back to first position, first finger, and then open. Very nice. Okay, good job. Okay, let's do it again. Start here. You just played that note. Shift back to fourth finger, second finger in first position, first finger, and then open. Okay? Okay, do it again. Okay, now stop the video and do it 5 more times. It's your turn to practice 5 times. Now we're going to play down the whole thing. So we're going to go to second finger, play that again. We've just come up. F natural, shift back to E flat with second finger, first finger D, fourth finger C, second finger B flat, first finger A. Abby can do the whole thing. Awesome. Okay, let's do it again. First finger or second finger G. This is the harmonic. Fourth finger F natural. First finger or second finger E flat. First finger D. Fourth finger C. First finger, second finger B flat in first position. Okay, now if you got that, go ahead and stop the video and do it 5 times. If you don't have it, rewind the video and do it again. This is your chance to stop the video. Now we're going to do it again. And then we're going to keep on going into half position. Okay, let's see if you can do all the way down. Now we're going to go up the scale. And down the scale. Let's see if you can do it. You're making progress. We're almost done. Practice 5 times. Now let's do the lower octave. Don't forget to go back to first half position. Remind yourself of how to do the lower octave one more time. Now let's put the 2 octaves together. Can you play it with me, Abby? Mm-hmm. Okay, let's try it. Ready? Ready, go. Repeat that note. Now think about how you're going to come down. Shift into half position, repeat the G. Yay, good job. Use this last stop to practice a couple more times the whole thing. So proud of you. Okay, now all you have to do is start slurring it and use the bow. So the next step is playing the scale with quarter notes, and Abby and I are going to do this. We're going to play the scale with quarter notes. We might play it with whole notes and half notes, and then we're going to start slurring 2, and then we will slur 4. The arpeggio is exactly the same, except you just use a B flat. So the arpeggio is G, B flat, D, G, B flat, D, G, G, D, B flat, open, and you can play that closed if you would like to, and then the D. So if you want to close the D and the G, you can hit that right here, okay? Okay, so that is a melodic minor scale. I hope this helped you prepare for auditions.